Everybody, I'm back. Well, I'm looking at the weather on my computer and yeah, we are under a severe thunderstorm watch. Like this morning it said first alert weather day and I was thinking we might get storms, we might not. And I looked outside earlier and it started to cloud up, but it wasn't storm clouds, but it was like the puffy cotton ball clouds, the cumulus clouds. But it wasn't raining out, but it was hot out there when I looked. So let me read this to you, what I looked at. Let me read this to you, hold on. Okay. Severe thunderstorm watch issued June 12th at 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time until June 12th at 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. NWS Storm Prediction Center. Armstrong, Briscoe, Carson, Childress, Collingsworth, Cottle, Dolam, Donley, Floyd, Ford, Gray, Hall, Hansford, Hartman, Harley, Hemphill, Hutchinson, Lipscomb, Moore, Motley, Potter, and Randall. See, I think we're in Randall County, so see, it says severe thunderstorm watch, so it does include us, but I don't know what's gonna happen between now and then, but I can look. Let me show you the weather real quick. Hold on. So I don't know if we're gonna get any storms or not. Well, I'm hoping not, but see, it says partly sunny and I don't know, but anyway, I will check in with y'all here in a little bit, and it'll be concerning the weather. Guys, I can't even tell if the storms are moving near us or away from us, but they look like they're going around us. But there's really bad storms over here, and right there is a thunderstorm warning, and oh my gosh. And that's where we are, right there, where it says Amarillo. Let me zoom in on where we're at. See, that's Amarillo right there. So yeah, that's what that is right there. So these are all the storms that are lingering, and I'm tempted to go outside and look at. Oh boy. Oh, I got it. I can't tell if that storm is headed near us or going away from us, but I do see lightning. And yeah, it's picking it up. And I can't even smell any rain, and it still feels pretty warm out here, and it's just windy, as you can hear. But yeah, I'm kind of keeping an eye on the weather because I don't know if we're going to get this storm or not. Hear that, guys? It's storming. I think we're getting hail. Hey, yeah, it's hailing. I'm getting scared. And it's lightning like crazy, and it is hailing like crazy. I don't know if it's hail or really heavy rain, but it's bad. I can't see it, I can't tell, and I know this is not picking it up. I just want this storm to go away. I'm getting scared. Well, guys, I think we're gonna be okay. It's still raining right now, and I'm gonna try and get some sleep. And I'm gonna let this storm pass. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long, so I will check in with y'all in the morning. Good night, everybody. So guys, it's like near 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's thundering and lightning, and I got a notification from the Weather Channel that lightning struck like 5 miles away from my current location, and I don't know what that means. Well, I feel pretty concerned about this weather. I don't like it. I want this. I can't sleep. My mind is just racing. I'm scared. And I was watching one of the live videos, and there was a wall cloud with that storm, and I hope this is not the storm that they were looking at, because I don't do tornadoes. I'm serious. I really don't. I am scared. I don't like this weather at all. And maybe I'll do something to keep my mind off of it. Like, I've been hearing thunder on and off for like an hour now, and I just want this storm to go the heck away. Well, guys, I know I didn't film at all yesterday, but it's 2 days ago. It's 2 days later, and I want to let you know that we're safe and we're okay. We didn't get a tornado after all. We just got some flash flooding, and I didn't go anywhere that night. And to tell you the truth, if it's storming like that, I ain't leaving this house, because I'd rather be safe at home. At least at home, I know, because at home, I know I'm safe. And, you know, you never know what's going to happen if you're out and about when it's storming. And I'd rather not be out when it's storming. But anyway, I just want to let you know we're okay. And that noise you just heard in one clip, it was hail, but I'm not sure what size it was. It sounded like it was like, I'd say like maybe dime size or pea size. It didn't, but it sounded like a big ice machine, because that's what hail is. You know, I don't like hail, and I don't like tornadoes. I could handle the rain. The rain doesn't bother me. The lightning, it depends. But it all depends. It just depends on how bad the storm is. But I was pretty scared. But, you know, sometimes when it comes to bad storms, there's really nothing you can do. So, yeah. And yesterday it was gorgeous. It was hot and sunny. And I think it's hot and sunny now, but I can't really tell. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close out here. And I do apologize that this episode is short, but I wanted to film, but the next episode will go up soon, and I plan on it being longer. So anyway, I will get back with you then. Peace out, everybody.